Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. To get 6 pics September, add your stickers on Instagram, first open Instagram, and now go to search option and search add yours extra without giving the space. Now click on the first account showing here, and then check my story, and here you will find the 6 pics September Instagram story. To use it, you just have to click on Add Yours option given in the sticker. After clicking that, your Instagram camera will be switched on. Now just click on Layout and choose the 6 grid photo layout, and then upload 6 photos one by one from your gallery. Now just click on Confirm and then set the position of sticker, and then click on your story to upload your story, and now you're done. You can also check my highlights if you want to use more stickers. Here you will find all different stickers, and if you want some stickers which is not available here, then just DM me with the request.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.